saying you're not funny. Can you hear it? Can you hear him? Casper. I can't put the light on, I can't see him on my camera. I'd love to get him saying that. Put the light on. You can't see, it's too dark. You'll frazzle your bum if I put the light on. What are you two doing? Hey Will! Hey Wilfie! Don't fly! Stay with your dad. Come here. You dad, Charlie? Oh, he's cuddling you. And dancing, Charlie. You gonna dance? Dance, Charlie. Wilfie. Casper's blown raspberries. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Here he comes. I think Wilfie wants time with his dad now. He's not going to step off you, sure. I think he kind of wants to stay with you. Oh, he wants to stay. Is he hanging on? Oh, bless him. Here, Casper.
He laughs after you. He laughs at himself.
Here he is, there's Wilfie. I've got to get him saying that tomorrow.